What's up, T-Bat family? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Fabian here. We got a great dish for you today. We're going to be making a garlic roasted basil pesto ground turkey sausage pasta. This dish is only $10. That's right, $10. A lot of dishes that I cook on my channel is definitely going to be budget friendly, especially with all these uncertain times that's going on right now. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Very much appreciated. But other than that, let's get into our video. Got some fresh kale, I have some fresh tomatoes I jarred, and some roasted garlic. And in the pan I already got turkey and basil, so let's go ahead and get started.
Oh man, I can't tell you how good this smells, and it's so healthy for you too, guys. Oh yes, we got that ground turkey sausage. Now we put some tomato basil sauce, and we're gonna change that up and put some roasted garlic sauce.
There we go, guys. We have garlic roasted kale ground turkey pasta. This stuff is so good for you, so fun to make. I hope you enjoyed this video.